Hello everyone, this is Sent from Speak Fortunes, and here are today's Hamster Kombat combo cards to get the 5 million tokens. And as usual, I'm not only going to be showing you the card, I'm also going to be showing you how to open the cards correctly so that you too can get to claim your own 5 million tokens, even if you are a novice. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Now the first card we need today in order to claim our 5 million Hamster Kombat tokens can be located in the PRN team section. So what we need to do, we are already at the PRN team section, so we'll just scroll down and look for this very card, and the name of that card is Security Audition. Security Audition. So we'll look for it under PRO and team section. So we'll look for it, we scroll down. Okay, I'm seeing security team. That's not what we're looking for. And here you have it, Security Audition. So we'll click on it and then go ahead. And so we have our first card, and then we go over now to get our second card. For our second card, we'll head over to the special section, specials. Now when we get to specials, we will look for this particular card, USDT on Tron. USDT on Tron. That's the second card we need to claim our 5 million Hamster Kombat tokens. USDT on Tron. Look for it. So I'm looking for it under my card section. So obviously it's not in my card section, because if you're new to Hamster Kombat, some of these cards under specials, you will not find them in your card section. So you have to go to new cards to get those cards. Then they will not be listed amongst your card list. Because I don't have this card, I'm going to go to the new card section and then look for USDT on Tron. USDT on Tron, sorry, USDT on Tron. And here you have it here, USDT on Tron. We'll click on it and claim this card. So we'll click on it, we'll claim it. All right. So our second card has been unlocked. All right. Now, before we look at the third card, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Speak Fortunes. I make regular videos on Hamster Kombat, daily combo, daily cipher, and other crypto airdrops. So kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I release new videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss any update from Speak Fortunes. All right, so let's go over now to our third card. Our third card can be located also in the special section, specials. That's where we'll find our third card. And for our third card, we're going to look for X Network 10 million. That's the third card we need to unlock our 5 million token. So we'll look for X Network. I'll further look for it under the new card section. So if it's not here, that means I must have purchased it. Okay, sorry, because I have purchased the other one, the USDT on Tron, it has now be transferred to my card section. So I'll just go now to new cards and then search for X. Oh, you have it here, X Network 10 million. We'll click on it to claim our card, wait for it to load, and yippee, we've got 5 million tokens. So I'll just hit the take the price button to claim our reward. All right, yeah. So you can see our balance have been updated. All right, guys. So if you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way again, this is Sent from Speak Fortunes. Peace and love.